In today's video, I'll show you on how you can easily make a cone in Onshape CAD. First things first, open up your document, head over to our top view, and from here you then want to place a sketch to the top right here. And then you want to place a center circle. This will determine the radius of our cone. And basically you can just click on the check button. From there, you then want to simply navigate through the plane tool, which is going to be this one. Just click on it. You want to place this on the top plane, which is going to be the main plane right here. From there, I'm going to offset my cone into 2 inches. I'll click on the check icon, and then you want to place a sketch onto the second plane, or the plane that we have just created. We then want to simply head over to the top view once again. You want to place a point at the circle of the plane that we have just made. Click on the check button, and from there you then want to click on loft. Click on the first sketch that we have made, or the circle that we have made, and from there you just want to click the point or the center point that we have created, which is going to be this point right here. Click on the check icon, and from there you have yourself a cone in Onshape CAD. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.